Welcome! In this video, we will cover the Select an Action drop-down menu located on the Schedule page of Field Central. Knowing the options you have at your disposal for managing the schedule and the visits within it is key to your success. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account and located the Schedule page, you will see the Select an Action drop-down located on the right-hand side under the 2-month calendar. Let's review each of these options one by one so that you understand the tools available to you within this drop-down. Shift/rain day. This option shifts each scheduled day until the stopping point of your choosing. Selecting this option will automatically make Saturday a work day. Cancel a day. This cancels the entire day. If selecting this option, it is important to note that this will not move the visits to visits to do. They will be removed completely. Route a day. Choose the start and end points of the day, and the scheduled visits will be reordered in the optimal route. Map a day. Shows the visits in order within a map view. Adjust visits to start of the day. This brings all the visits up to the start of day time, and all the appointments become back to back. Move day. We'll move one scheduled day to another crew, or keep the same crew and move the visits to another selected day. Users can also move all future visits to another crew if a technician leaves the company. Show business hours. Show the full 24-hour day or the set business hours. Swap day. Used to either swap a technician within the same day or swap one technician's scheduled days. Ready to give it a go? Utilize these menu options when managing your crew schedules to help optimize your time.